Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable smart panel in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then click on this special functions and you will see smart panel. Just enable it by clicking on this and it is enabled successfully. How you can see it, you have to swipe left side over this, and this is how you can enable smart panel. And when you just click on any app, it will appear as a floating window. You can see, this is how you can see it. And if you want to remove, just click on this cross button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.